Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one, pretty sure it came out of one of the now defunct Zen Pop JP ramen boxes. This is Myojo with their Charmera spicy noodle Miyazaki. Yeah, that's what's coming up today. So we will steep it. It's got some sachets here. I like that. Noodle block. Bloop. And we've got this clear one. I'm putting it in just for safety, right off the bat. The other two go in at the end. We'll see what we got. Yeah. And 3 minutes. Right? Yeah. That's a weird little thing. See that? It says 3 minutes there and 320 milliliters of water. Over here, wait. What's that little gauge about? Maybe that's heat level. That might be the spicy level, because it's supposedly spicy. Then we got a couple sachets that go in the end. We give it a stir, and everything is good. So, yeah. Yeah. Wow. I really like it when Gordon Ramsay does that. It's like, dude, lay off the nose candy, buddy. Maybe go with the energy drinks. I mean, they can be pretty cray-cray. I will say that. But they probably won't kill you. I was talking to a buddy of mine about food culture and like the famous foodie people and how they're always making like these little short recipe videos. I'm gonna say like 99% of people see these recipe videos, mine too, and don't really, they like to watch it as entertainment, not as like things to do. Maybe some more with mine will do it, because a lot of the time it's just like, hey, check this thing I made, like chili oil, easy, right? Crushed red pepper, easy, right? Maybe an egg, maybe a fried egg, things like that. But it's like, who's it? Jamie Oliver, Gordon Ramsay. I've watched what's his name? Uncle Roger, just totally pan these little short videos that they do. And it's like, you look at it and it's just like, you know, I'm not tasting this, I haven't made it, but what you got there, boy, that looks to me like it would taste like crap. Huh. You're like, and they're acting like they've just done a line of Coke. I swear, it's the strangest thing. But whatever. People like it. People really like those. I mean, there's some cooking shows I really like. The one I like the best when I watch, there's two of them. They have them on PBS. Is Julia Childs and Jacques Pepin. That's good stuff. That's old school. And then there's the barbecue guy, which it's just like, dude, you're way too earthy for me. Steven Reichland. He's cool though. I mean, he makes some neat stuff. I guess he spent his youth with like a skillet, a grate, and a backpack, and went all over the U.S. and like barbecued stuff and hoboed it. That's cool. He's into it. You got to give somebody props for having passions. But the other guy, I want to say his name is Justin Wilson. He's like the Cajun guy. I think that was his name, right? This Cajun guy. Oh, that's a big old waffle. That That guy is just fascinating, and a lot of the stuff he makes sounds really freaking good. But he sounds funny. I like that. I mean, he sounds odd to me. He's not. There's nothing wrong with him. He just has a very, very specific regional accent of the Cajun country. I like it. I liked his travel shows, but as far as watching him cook, wasn't really into the whole Bourdain experience. I think he was a good guy, though. I think it's a bummer what happened to him, but you know, it's his own freaking fault. That's okay. Where is he now? Who is to know? Alright, so what do we got here? Something spicy and weird? I don't know. It's from Japan. Generally, when I hear spicy in Japan put together, for years I was like, nah. Now, after trying, God, what was it called? 18 Prohibited? Boy, that stuff. That cleaned my clock. Let's try this. So far, so good. I like the noodle. The flavor I'm getting on that noodle is really nice. Broth. Okay, I guess I will. I was so dead set, folks, that I hadn't reviewed this. And then I scoured all my Myojo Charmera reviews last night. It's like, dude, you haven't reviewed it. You were just going to give this away to somebody. Possibly, leave it in the mailroom for somebody to just have for free. This is work noodle. You can't give that out if you haven't reviewed it. It's good. I'm glad I really am glad that I didn't give that away. Ooh, look at that. It's all... I'm so tired of being a noodle all day. You're fine. Got a little... I'm really, really low on supplies. Which really is not a testament to my greatness. I need to, as Daniel Tiger would say, need to make some chashu. It's killing me. And I hate to say it also, but I was really stoked on food bank eggs. There were some farm fresh ones, but those yolks were really tiny. I've never seen yolks like that. It's like, what the heck? What kind of chicken was that? They were good eggs, don't get me wrong, but for presentation. Yes, friends, the Ramen Raider has been frequenting the food bank with family. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I gotta use some of this stuff as much as I hate to. Where's my spoon? Where's the... The Revenant Spoon of St. Reverend Dick Gazinia is going into the Kari Kari Chili Crisp. If it hasn't come out yet, it will soon. I'm doing a special rundown of chili crisps and sambals and such. It's a top 10. It won't be in an order, but this will be on there. This, yeah, I don't want to put it in the soup, I'm sorry. Here, we can do this. Look at that stuff. Wow. Lid's on tight. That. Kari. It's made in Seattle. Look them up. It's a little bit of heat, a lot of garlic. Nice and gummy and chewy and crispy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Rosie's on the loose. Come and see what I'm talking about. Where'd she go? There she is. Rosie's on the loose. She's going for a laptop. Move it, Miles. Move the stuff. No! Move stuff, dude. Miles, move her laptop. Gently. Well, nothing like the excitement of a robotic vacuum cleaner getting all haywire. Or the excitement of this. This is Marachon Cajun Shrimp. Ready to take a trip to prison? That's what this is about. And you're going to see it on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. There's a Honda Ramen. Have a good one. Bye-bye.